Bridget Bartlett here, and I'm going to walk you through our all tools plan so you know exactly what you're signing up for. Okay. Now, first of all, we are software resellers, and so we have the ability to sign up for software and then we can resell it at massive discounts. And so this plan is going to include all of the tools that we have available. You cannot find this plan anywhere else for this low of a price. Okay. So you'll see here inside of the HighLevel account, which is actually our brand. Okay, so you're not signing up directly through HighLevel. You can't resell HighLevel. This is our brand that we're giving you an account of the HighLevel tools inside of our agency. Okay. So you'll see here, we have the launch pad here. If you follow these steps, you can make sure to get the app downloaded and get all those things connected. You have access to the dashboard. This can be customized. All you need to do is click there. You can add widgets and all of that and make sure that it is conducive to your business and you're tracking all of the things that are relevant to you. You have your conversations tab. This is where you're really going to work out of most of the things that I do every single day inside of HighLevel are in the conversations tab. This is where you are going to have one place where you can access all of your incoming, outgoing phone call recordings, text messages, emails, Facebook business page messages, Instagram, and so on. You can access all of that here. You even have access to WhatsApp if you decided to use that. You do have a calendars option in here, so you no longer need to have third-party calendar tools. You can do everything inside of here and all your automations and all of that inside the calendar option. You have the contacts tab, which you're going to be able to streamline and manage all of your contacts here. We have the opportunities board, which you'll be able to actually create automations and move them through your sales pipeline. You also have the payments tab where you can connect whatever payment gateway that you want to use. You'll see in the integrations all of the different options that you have available to connect to the payment gateway. So we really have something for everyone, regardless of what country you live in or what's available. So you can send invoices. You also can send documents and contracts. You can track all of your orders here. You can track your subscriptions. You can create payment links. You can track all of your transactions coming inside of your account, no matter where they're at, all of the products here. So you can create your own e-commerce store, adding your products and collections and your inventory. You have the ability to create coupons here. You can have your settings to where you are adding the taxes and sending notifications to your team and the shipping and delivery, and then the shipping origin. All of those things can be set here inside of the settings for all of your payments there. You also have the marketing tab, so you will be able to use the social planner. This is integrated with AI, so you can use AI to create your images and content. You also can create some beautiful email templates and send out email campaigns. You can track all of those here in the statistics tab. You have templates for snippets that you can use inside the conversations tab. You can create links that you can start automations. Basically, like if you send an email and they click the link and you want that to trigger an automation, that's basically what trigger links are. If you're interested in creating an affiliate program for your business, you can set all of that up here. You have all of this software that you can use for that. That alone is worth the price of admission. You do have an ads manager here. This is integrated into HighLevel. So if you're wanting to hire us, which is technically HighLevel, to create your Facebook ads and manage them, you can choose that option there. And then you also have the brand board so that you can set up your logo and your colors and all of that, and you and your team will be congruent with your brand. You also have the automations. Here is where you're going to create workflows, and you have basically you have a trigger. So what do you want? What of these do you want to happen to make the rest of the things you build out happen, like an affiliate's created or a new order or a payments received, or even we have an IVR option. So you all know what an IVR is. If you call a business and they say press one, do this, press two, do that, that's what the IVR is. So you can see all of these options available to trigger the automation. And then to add a step to the workflow, all you need to do is click that plus sign and you can add any of these things as well. You can create very simple to very, very complex and advanced automations inside of the workflow builder here. You also have content AI. You can check out all of that. I have tons of training on all of this. You also have the sites here, so you can create funnels, websites. You can create an e-commerce store. You can track all of your analytics on your websites and store. You can create a blog. You can choose WordPress if you prefer that over the high level builder. You also have access to a client portal. Here is where this is going to be the one link where they access all of your courses, your community, your affiliate management system. All of that will be inside of the client portal. You can create unlimited forms here and also analyze those form submissions and even track the submissions here. You can create surveys for your websites, and same thing, you can analyze and track the submissions. You can add a chat widget to your website, even if you're using a website outside of the high level tools. You can embed that into any website you want to. There is a QR code generator. So if you want to create QR codes for your video content or for printed materials, you can do all of that here. And then also we have the your URL redirect option where you can redirect any of your domains, maybe affiliate links, things like that. You can create redirects here. Now, going back inside of the high level tools here, we have the memberships area. This is where you're going to create products and, of course, offers for those products. So, for example, if you have an offer that has A, B course, and then you have BC course is another offer, they will all be logging into the client portal I just showed you there. And then you will determine based on the offer what they actually have access to. You can create your community here. I'll show you my community in just a second so you can see it live, but you will be able to create unlimited communities there. And then also you can create certificates. So if you have a course and when they complete the course, you want to submit a certificate, you can do that there. You can customize the certificate. You can also add that to a workflow so that all of this is automated. You have a media storage file here. This is going to be where you're going to host your videos and your images and all of that there. You also have reputation management. So if you want to track your reviews, you can also send review requests and all of that. And even answering the review can be done by AI. So many cool things. So you can track all of that there. You also have the reporting tab so that you can check on your Google ads, Facebook ads, the attribution report, call report, agent report, and appointment report. All of that can be found here. You also have access to the app marketplace. So if there is a third party tool that you need for your specific business, you can check that out there. You also have the mobile app here as well as in the Launchpad. So if you did want to invite a team member to download the mobile app, you can just search that there. You have the onboarding area. Okay, so this is where my agency stands out among everyone else who's reselling high level. Okay. This is what, if you create a high level account through anyone, you're going to get basically all of these things. But when we get to onboarding, this is where my high level agency is different from everyone else's. So you will have the ability, if you choose the all tools plan, you will get a free 1 hour onboarding. A member of the team will make sure that you have your domain connected, you have your email situated and connected your email sending domain, and then also walk you through the process of creating a business phone number and just answer any questions that you may have. If you're interested in finding out when our coaching is or your account or even support, you can check these options out there. You'll also see up here is where you want to contact support. If you need help, you can message or even send an email. And there's also a library here of tutorials and things that you can check out that may help you. Also, my community here, you can see this is a high level community. So this is what it looks like when it is complete. Let me go into the one that you'll get access to with this plan. Of course, the first thing you want to do is check the start here. That's going to explain to you where to find everything. But just to quickly let you know, if you did decide that you wanted to become a reseller of our tools, you don't have that ability as an all tools plan member. You do need to join our reseller program if you wanted to do that. You also can join our open office hours Monday through Thursday. You can access our knowledge base here, and you can also access our live coaching replays. You can check the learning tab here for any of the courses that may help you with your business. And of course, if you have questions and things, you can reach out to our team here by simply clicking this box and then asking your question. Okay. We also have the content AI here. This is 60 plus prompts that are using ChatGPT. What's cool about this is you do have the ability to generate, Facebook captions, and most people will use things like cold email script generator. All you need to do is click whatever tool you want and answer the questions, click submit, and then you will get content. Example cold email here. Okay. You see there are 60 plus tools that you can use, like a welcome series email, a website copy generator, and so on. Okay. Also, something else a lot of people use is the terms of service generator and privacy policy generator. Okay. Now, moving on to the AI coach. This is super cool because unlike the content AI, this actually allows you to teach the AI about your business. So basically, you just want to walk through this process, paste in the link to your website. It'll help you generate all of this content. So, who is your target audience? What is your brand persona? It'll actually create multiple personas for you depending on who you're trying to target. It literally creates your whole brand profile here in this area. And what makes this different than other AI tools is that once it learns about all of your brand, it helps you create that brand report. You can use that for other AI tools, but you can also use it to create any of these content generators here. And it's pulling this information based on what's in your brand report. So it's not just giving you your universal information like the content AI tools, it's actually giving you information that is catered towards your perfect customer, your buyer persona, and your specific business and offers. Okay, so you can see all of those options here you can use based on the trained AI. Now, the next cool tool that we have available is the social autopilot. So you can see here, obviously, the first step you want to do is train the AI. You can even take the report that's generated from the AI coach and you can upload it here. You can also manually go through here and train the AI. What's cool about this, of course, you want to go through your brand voice, media, products, images, and all of that. But what's cool about this is you can connect all of your social media accounts, and I'll show you the ones that can be connected. And when you connect them all and you generate the content, you'll see all of the ones that can be connected here, and then you generate the content. You can actually just tell it how many posts you want for how many weeks, and it will generate this content. It will be branded with your brand colors. Depending on the type of campaign you're creating, it could be original content, it could just be our standalone templates that are rebranded for your business. But you can see here that you can create them based on your business, or you could even be really specific and create it based on your product that you've added here in the brand context. Now, what makes this different is it's not only generating the content like the AI coach and the content AI, but it's generating the content, it's creating the actual post. You can see here we created this for Instagram and Facebook, but it's creating the actual post, scheduling it for you. And then, of course, if you wanted to edit, you could do that here, and you'll see the options. It's a really good editor that you can use. Change up anything that you want to change up there. And then once you're happy with the post, you just click publish and then you're good to go. You can literally create like 150 pieces of content in about 5 minutes. Okay, so super cool time saver. Now, the next thing is our AI ads manager that is powered by Play. This is a super cool, powerful platform that allows you to run ads like a pro, even if you've never run ads before. And you can see all of the different platforms that we can run ads through. We can even send direct mail campaigns. So if you want to send like a postcard to people who live in a specific area, we do have that option there as well. And you'll see it's super easy to create an ad. Typically, what people do is go to the Creative Hub. They create, let's just say, Facebook ad here. And then all you need to do is paste in your website, click generate ad. It creates the copy. It automatically will choose AI targeting, but if you have a specific list that you want to use, you can just turn that off. You can also use the AI images and videos that come up, or you can just add your own. You also have the copywriter here, or you can choose your own custom content. So you can see all of this is generated just based on the website, the headlines and all of that. All you need to do is down here, choose your call to action. You could even choose a lead form if you wanted to do that. Once you've created your template, all you need to do is go to the advertise tab, and you want to use your let's go back up there and I'll actually show you how you do that. So if I create my template here and I wanted to create this Google ad, for example, you'll see it's going to pull up from the template, and all you need to do is click create. Okay, so you'll see if you scroll down here that you just choose your budget, click create, and then that ad is going. Okay, to connect your platforms, you just click here. You're literally logging in. It's that simple to connect the platform. Okay, so those are all the tools that you get inside of the all tools plan. Now, you can decide to create an account of the AI ads manager. That's just one user account. You do not have the ability to white label or resell or any of that. This is just one user account of our brand that you get access to inside of the dashboard. If you decide that you really only want the social media autopilot tool, you can also create one user account of that as well. But if you want access to any of the other tools, you do need to choose the all tools plan. Okay. You will not find a better offer or a better, more complete software bundle than combining all of the software that we've created. Plus, of course, we do provide our community here with 5,000 plus members that you will be able to communicate with and get support from, and all of those things as well, and our live coaching open office hours Monday through Friday. Okay, so thank you all so much for your interest in our all tools plan, and I look forward to working. Thank you so much for joining us for today's training. If you have any questions, you can join us for open office hours starting right now at bridgetbartlett.com. It's free and open to everyone.